Hi guys! So, nagpe-prepare na din ako kasi nga bukas may flight na naman kami. Ano naman ako ng aming susutin para bukas. And then, meron pala kami kaibigan na papunta ngayon at nagpe-prepare din ako ng konting regalo para sa kanila. Kasi yung naalala nyo, si Uno yung friendship ni Matite na napaka-hyper. Ayan, excited na naman niya. Gusto niya daw sama sila daw kumain ngayon. Kaya, mag-order tayo kung ano yung gusto nila. I think si Matt gusto niya ng McDo. Ewan ko si Uno anong gusto niya. Pero naka-order na kami para kay Matt. Pero kakain pa siya ulit pag nandito na naman sila ni Uno. Alam niyo naman yan si Matite. Mabilis lumunok. And then, ayun si Lily guys. Hindi ko pa siya nabihisan. Si Matt pa lang yung changean ko ng lower. Pero upper the same pa rin. But anyway, tapos na ako dito sa isang luggage. Sa kabilang luggage na naman para sa aking outfitan bukas. Morning! Morning, Philippines! Gising lang yung yun at atin na siyang aayusan kasi tayo ay may lakad, guys. May lakad na si Indayon, guys. Nakabihis na siya pero hindi pa nakapanghimuta. Mamaya ka. Mamaya ka. Mamaya ka. Mamaya ka. Minam na siya ng kanyang milk kasi hindi pa kami nakakain. Pinainom ko na siya ng milk. Makainom kasi nakaupo. Dapat mag-lay down siya, no? Kasi siya bago pa lang kasi siya na umiinom talaga guys ng milk. Kaya hindi pa niya alam yung mga technique. Kailangan niyang mag-lay down. Kuya, what happened? What did you do? Ready na? See? Because you are not careful of what you are doing. You keep on pushing the luggage and you know that there's a lot of things here. And if it will be broken, you have money to pay? No. No, because you don't work. If you don't work, you don't have money. Understand? So you need to be careful.
Mom, I will work here.
Work na daw kung siya that's Filipino. No, you don't. You're still young to work. You're too small. Yeah? Your work is to eat and behave. Okay? Eat, behave, and pray. And play. Guys, alis na kami. Ayan, naka-ready na si Tata. Si Tata lang yung ready. Kami din nilili. Ayan, alis na kami guys. Naka-ready na kami. Naka-order na din kami ng Bolt. Ayan, si Indayon. Naka-outfitan na. Ewan ko na saan na yun si Kuya Matt. Dalhin natin tong ating groceries from Poland. Okay, let's go, go, go. Let's go. Kung na tayong naiwan mga beshi. Nothing in there left. Oh, I think it's the car.
I don't have power.
Where are you, Tara? Tara, where are you? Tara? What are you working on? Stay. Come back here because Tata can get inside.
Oh, my luggage is broken, so no luggage. It's drive nicely.
Wala ah.
So this Ugi?
Ogi.
What is Ugi?
I don't know, but I used that last night. Yugi underground. Underground maybe the Yugi. Push, 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 Mati. Faster natin. Faster. Oh, that is our car, guys. It's another kuya. Good morning, ya.
Morning.
Ay, ang bugat. Ang bugat. Ang bugat daw. Baby. My goodness.
No, it's black.
Ang ganda ng panahon, guys. Napakainit eh. Bye! Backpack, you want? Your backpack?
No,
My backpack, maybe.
My backpack.
Terminal 1?
Yeah, domestic.
Domestic.
Mama, I like red car.
You like red car?
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, you have a lot of cars inside your bag.
Yeah.
So,
This is my resident.
This is your red car?
What?
What? So, papunta na tayo sa Terminal 1.
What I tell
Kasi may flight tayo. Malayo pa naman ay.
And I like it.
What time is our flight, baby? 12?
12.
12 pa yung flight natin. But papunta tayo ng maaga para makakain. Nandito na tayo sa Cebu. There, inside. Guys, punta na tayo sa domestic area. So, kasi mag-ano tayo. Domestic flight tayo ngayon. Wala na tayo sa international. What? What do you want to ya? Oh, there's a lot of guitar. Yung oras, pero mag-check-in na tayo para makakain tayo, guys. Gutom. Nagugutom na ang mga person. Ayan, maaga-aga pa tayo. Yeah, you get everything. Yes, it's okay. Last time, you remember? Heck. Excited kumain. Departure flights, Dumaguete. 12:15 pala. Ha. Nandito na kami sa bus. So, punta na tayo sa airplane, guys. Yeah. 20 EBC yung aming upuan. What? You're tired? You just finished it? Makakalanding pa lang ng airplane na ito, kaya ngayon lang kami nag-ano guys, pumunta dito sa malapitan. Kasi nga yung mga pasahero niyan is kakalis lang din. Ayan. Si Madite, parang murag-correct na siya ipilo sa iyang likod sa bag.
The seatbelt sign for your safety. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. Fine. At this time, make sure your window shades are fully up. Tray tables are stowed and your seatbelts are securely fastened. Going to the lavatory at this time is strictly prohibited. Thank you.
Gumising na yung mga natulog. Ay, hindi ba pala si Dede natulog pa siya. Ha? Yeah, I will have to. Nakatayo na kami kasi nasa likuran kami, guys. Kailangan naming maunang lumayas. Grabe, sobrang init guys. Buti na lang may payong. Kawawa si Inday yun, no? Tulog pa naman siya. Ano ba yun? Kukuha pa tayo ng ating luggage and after that, mag-order tayo ng taxi. Dahil wala pa kami sasakyan. Yung backpack ko na lang yung nasa floor. Give me my backpack. Mat, come on! Mati! Asa naman to siya? Maghanap tayo ng taxi. Mat! It's within Dumaguete, kaya tag 500 yung kanilang singil. Meron silang mga taripa gani guys. Malaki-laki yung ating ating van for today's video. Yeah.
Isa ni?
Amo ni? Oo. Nandito na sa van. Maria Spatial, baby. What's the spelling? Dito na kami. Hindi pa kami nakapasok. Yung aming mga luggage. Mabigat pa naman ito. Mate! Kuhaan ni Mate mo. Hala? I don't have it. I have only 1K. Ito na ng 520 base. Give some tip to Kuya. Salamat ya. Okay, everything is okay. Okay. Hala, gising na si Brockdat. Gising na. Guys, nag-relax na kami ngayon kasi ngayon lang kami nakapag-time mag-relaxation. Ano ba yung armpit na yan? Ang daming balaheba, balbal. Daming balbal. Dito si Lily. Lily, bye. Mama will go to Tata na. Bye, Lily.
Tata! Yes,
Lily.
Mama.
Lily. Be, nana ko. Tata na kayo. Wala na si Lily. Bye. Bye, Lily. Bye. Hello. So kami pa lang dahil meron kaming kinuha na magyayaya kay Lily but hindi pa siya dumating. So kakarating pa lang namin at meron pa kaming kailangan mag-grocery pa kami dahil wala kaming makain. And then kailangan namin bumili ng mga needs pa namin guys. Uy kasi ipanggutom na jud mi. Especially itong mga dalawang idik ay kasi kumain na kami kanina doon sa airport ng ano yun, Chowking. How are you?
I sleep quickly.
Habibi?
1 hour I sleep.
No, it's not 1 hour. It's like 30
50
minutes.
minutes.
40 minutes, yeah. Yes, we sleep maybe everyone is asleep. It looks like we are manifesting. And when we wake up, we're here in Dumaguete.
I don't punch the chicks near me.
I don't know. I'm not.
Because you sleep.
I sleep also. Meron siya. Nasaan na yun si Lily? Si Matthew. Ay, nako. Everyone is sleepy. Matt, be careful. Natulugo na po siya kahit natulog sa plane kanina. Sleepy pa rin. Be careful ha, your sister is there.